You've had a lovely holiday dinner with your family. All the food is put away and the dishes are done, and what you have left is the turkey carcass, which is less than appetizing. You look at it and just want to throw it away. Hi, my name's Ann. I'm CMP's top fan. Today we're going to show you how to extend your food dollars. You have options of turkey enchiladas or a casserole, but today we're going to show you how to make turkey noodle soup.